Alright, these are what we just picked up today. FPV Wings. We got it all bound together.
Nice.
What do we got?
We got a wing. And instead of going out to the field in an open space, we're just going to go fly in the backyard because that's what we do best.
This ought to be fun or disastrous.
Yeah.
Let's go try it. Dabney's all giddy. Hey, at least the motors on the back, so if she gets hit, it's just with foam.
Stay inside, okay? I'm just warning you, stay inside. I know it looks small. I know that it doesn't look intimidating.
You might be able to see the inside of my leg this time.
Remember Mr. Blonde.
This is funny.
That doesn't.
Darren's the first one with the goggles on, and
I just flew into a window. Oh. Hey, did you run around front and grab me?
All right, Darren flew into a window, and so we'll.
I feel like I want to go to the field. It feels just like it can't get out of its own way. I mean, it's. Do what? By Caitlin's window. No, it's like just. Floats. I mean,
it's a different type of flying.
Turning
for sure.
hard and stuff. It's just. Ooh. I'm not sure I'd have bought $70 worth of batteries right off the bat. We should have tested this out. Did you find it?
We were making sure rudder did anything. Rudder doesn't do anything. The whole time I was flying, I was like full left on rudder trying to get it to freaking turn, and finally I hit my ailerons. And I mean, I knew it flew that way, but in your head you're like, anyway. So, Dabney's turn to fly. I already hit the roof, hit a window. We're going to go to the field after this. Recording?
Alright, I am recording. Is control surfaces?
Good. Ailerons?
Are we ready for this?
Ready.
Okay, hold on, let me make sure. Goggles. Alright.
Ready?
Here we go. Wait, whoa, that was weird.
What?
It was just kind of flashing black in my left eye a little.
Oh, good, good.
Okay.
Cataracts.
Ready?
Yep.
In behind the barn.
Did you actually lean over way more with this than you do the drones?
Really?
I did, or at least I felt like it. Of course, Dabney takes it like a fish in water. I don't do so hot with the planes.
Am I in acro? I think I am. But...
You are.
Okay.
Yep, acro. See, that takes a lot of stick throw to move.
Yeah.
I think part of my problem after watching you is I could tell I was a lot less throttle than you are. There's no way you hit 5 minutes already.
Well, remember we were playing around before. This is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Same battery.
Yeah.
Nice little buzz.
I kept trying to, I'm like, okay, my head's turned, straighten your head out, and then I'm back there, straighten your head out.
I could definitely feel me like swaying. So what'd you think? You did a little better than I did.
I think it's cool. I agree with you that being out at the field in an open space will give you the ability to kind of open it up a little bit more, and I wouldn't call these acrobatic at all. They're not acrobatic. Now,
you tried doing any flips?
I haven't tried to roll or anything yet. We'll out at the field. We'll definitely give it a try.
Taller grass, less stuff to hit.
Yeah.
We can race the same spot we used to go do with the drones too.
Right. Yeah. So I think it'll be cool out there at the field, and so it'll be interesting to see. Let's go give it a whirl. I'd like to try before we go out. I wonder if we can give it in acro mode more elevator. So there's a
we could play with that out the field too, though.
So there's a little more climb to it and a little more turn, honestly.
Let's give it a shot.
All right, let's do it.
I just don't know how it's going to do with the mixing, but I've never messed with that kind of mixing very much.
Right. Well, we'll find out.
We'll meet you when we get out to the field. I lost you.
Darren, you're not recording, are you?
Yes, I am. Whoa, 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 whoa!
You have him?
I know where I'm at.
You do?
Dude, I got behind the trees. I lost, it was just flying straight. I killed the throttle and went down.
Okay.
Oh.
Darren, I like these throws. I like the ailerons. see how much crisper I turn?
Yep.
I took it up to 95 on both of them. I like the controls on this a lot better.
I don't think I want to go as far, however far you are, I don't want to go quite that far.
Okay.
Okay, I want to fly one of our regular planes with this.
Thank you.